In this demo, you'll learn how to install and use PrizePicks on cloud phones. Let's begin. This is your Multilogin dashboard. This is where all your cloud phones are managed. Multilogin gives you real Android phones that run in the cloud. Use them to access your PrizePicks account from a dedicated device environment without carrying extra phones. To begin, click the Create button. Give your profile a name and choose how many phones you want to create. Each phone works as a separate Android device. Select PrizePicks as your use case. This adds an icon to your profile. You can also use tags to organize your phones. Next, add a proxy. A proxy provides a local IP address for your cloud phone. Select Multilogin as your proxy provider. Select where you want your phone to connect from. You can pick from more than 150 cities and countries. Choose a phone brand and model. Your account will appear as if it's running on a real Android device. Click Create to save your setup. Press the play button to start your cloud phone. Your cloud phone is ready. Use it just like a regular Android device. Use the sidebar to upload files, adjust the screen size, or access additional settings. Open the Apps icon to access the App Store. Search for PrizePicks and install it. You can also add other sports-related apps if needed. Sign in and access your PrizePicks account from your cloud phone. Track your picks and earn rewards from here. Connect as many cloud phones as you need by following the same steps. Multilogin cloud phones make it simple to access PrizePicks without relying on physical devices. Click the link below to learn more.